This spreadsheet is designed to encourage conscious spending by helping you plan a monthly budget and track your income and expenses as the month goes on. Here's a quick overview of what's included: a mandatory expenses table, a discretionary expenses table, a recurring monthly expenses section for auto-filling bills, a savings section that shows both potential and actual savings, a transactions table for entering daily income and spending, and a set of charts that show how you're doing at a glance and a planned expenses snapshot for the month. Step 1. Set the year and understand the layout. Go to the Start Here tab and enter the year. Each month has its own tab in the spreadsheet, so you'll work in a separate tab for each month. You only need to enter the year once. All other dates will populate automatically. You'll also notice that only the input cells are editable. This is intentional, so everything updates automatically without risking the formulas. Step 2. Choose your month and starting balance. Open the month you want to begin with and enter your starting balance for that month. Step 3. Enter your expected income. This gives you a rough idea of how much money you have to work with, and you can adjust it later when you receive your actual paychecks. You can enter up to 5 income entries per day. Step 4. Customize your expense categories. Now set your expense categories in the 2 main tables: mandatory expenses, discretionary expenses. The spreadsheet includes suggested categories, but you can click any category name and replace it with one that fits your lifestyle. You can leave rows blank if you don't need all of them. Step 5. Set your budget amounts. Enter a budgeted amount for each category. As you adjust your budgets, watch the "How much could I save" section. The goal is to plan intentionally, so you're saving a target percentage of your income. A good starting goal is 15% or more. Step 6. Add recurring monthly expenses for autofill. If you have bills that occur on the same day each month, such as rent, utilities, or subscriptions, enter them in the Recurring Monthly Expenses section. Select the expense from the drop-down, enter the day of the month and the amount, and the spreadsheet will automatically place that expense on the correct day and category for the month. Step 7. Track spending and income as the month goes. As the month progresses, enter your daily income and expenses in the transactions table. You can enter up to 10 expenses per day and assign a category to each one using the drop-down. Step 8. Review budget versus actual. Each category shows budgeted, actual, difference. The difference column shows how much money remains in each category, or how far over budget you are. It will appear green when you're under budget and red when you're over. Step 9. Use the charts to understand your money. The charts help you quickly understand your finances at a glance. The budget charts compare total budgeted amounts to actual spending. And the planned monthly allocation pie chart shows how your income is planned to be divided between mandatory expenses, discretionary spending, and savings. Step 10. Repeat next month. When you move to a new month, open the next monthly tab, enter your new starting balance, and adjust your income, categories, or budgeted amounts as needed. And that's it. You'll have a clear plan at the start of the month and an easy way to track how you're doing all the way through.